It's Wednesday and I've been waiting to do this. It's like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock at night. I made Kirby help me pick up this box on Monday. So sick. You're good. Nice. How do you like being my friend with a truck? Which contains almost all of the parts from Control Freak for the suspension. This has the cross member, the subframe connectors, the 4-link, like everything is in here. The only thing I'm missing, they had to drop ship the coilovers from Viking, which are about 2 weeks out, and the Wilwood brakes. So I got 12-inch, 6 piston calipers in front, 4 piston calipers for the rear. I cannot wait to open this box. So we're leaving for Mexico in the morning. This is getting picked up on Monday of next week while we're out of town to get the 4-link installed and the subframe connectors. So I'm gonna do that real quick, unbox this, see what it all is, what it looks like. I'm so fired up beyond belief. I can't wait to see this stuff. This is what we're dealing with. We've got, it's probably the spindles in there, new cross member. I bet the steering rack is in here somewhere. Basically, I just want to put everything in the car that they're going to need because I don't want there to be any delays or issues. So I'm going to sort through this stuff real quick and you can watch me. Oh man, this stuff is sick. So like, look at how, everything's labeled, so I'm not going to open it because I'm not the one that's got to put it together, but like the welds on this stuff are so good. Everything looks so nice. Hardware, beautiful. All right, I gotta get this thing out and look at that cross member. So I wish I had the car on the lift so I could show you what this is replacing, but this is just incredible. They had the option to have it powder coated, but I couldn't decide what color I wanted, so I got it raw. I think I'm gonna powder coat it like locally here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do it gunmetal. The options for Control Freak were silver or black. Black seems too plain and silver seems too loud. So I feel like gunmetal is a good compromise, but I'm just fired up on this thing. It looks so good. Look at these welds. This is so sick. I'm guessing this is like the upper coilover bracket. Upper control arm, thread in ball joints, and the lower control arms right here. Sick, so pumped. So I'm definitely gonna, I wish I would have done this sooner. I could have dropped all this stuff off to get powder coated while we're gone, but whatever, hindsight's 20/20, so I'll do that when we get back because I don't have time to do it now. So these are the Wilwood spindles, and I guess they weld their own thing or something on them, I don't know. This thing, I don't know, there's instructions I'm sure, but. That's that quick video. Hornet is making progress. By the time I'm back from Mexico, I should be able to pick it up with the 4-link done. I'll put it on the lift and show you guys that. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. God, I feel so energized on this project. Like, I cannot wait now. It's so real having these parts here. I ordered them in like November. They're here. Like, so pumped.